Let's make the Austin line dance doable. You're going to start with your right heel, then your left, then you're going to touch right, hit your foot, touch, hit your foot. So you're going front, then back. So from the back, we have right, left, right, touch, down, touch, and then you're just going to pivot right to the back, right to the front. And when you do that, you're going to lasso your arm. So after you do touch and touch, you're going to lasso to the back, lasso to the front. From here, you're going to do a grapevine to the right, and that's just a side, back, side, hop, and you can clap at the same time. To the left, left, back, left, hop and clap. From here, you're going to go back to heels. So you're going to do right heel twice, jump over to left heel twice. Then you're going to do right toe, heel, left toe, heel. Your left foot is free, so step forward and pivot on your left foot to the back, pivot on your left foot to the front. And here you're going to do a jazz square. You're going to cross your left foot over, step back on your right, back on your left, and you're going to face the left. So let's do it again from the beginning. We have right and right, touch, down, touch, pivot to the back, pivot to the front, grapevine right, clap, left, clap, two heels right, right and left and toe, heel, left pivot, left, and jazz square, left, right, left, turn. So let me do it from the front one time. You're going right, touch, down, touch, pivot to the back, pivot to the front, grapevine right, clap, left, clap, heel, toe, heel, pivot left, and right, left, face the left. And just keep repeating that to all four walls. I hope that helps. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do.
Say goodbye, just wish I knew what caused